Okay, here's a quick video about how the difference in quality of a power supply will affect your electronics you have connected to it. So this is the little DAB radio I showed a couple of videos ago, good little radio, and it came with a fairly good plug-in power supply. Seems to be quite good, and if you plug it in, the little radio powers on. Switch it on. One of the good things about this radio is it has a signal meter built in, so if I push that, you can see quite clearly that, let's turn it down, that I'm getting a full signal with the aerial fully extended. Put the aerial down, and I'm still getting a full signal. I've removed the batteries from the radio for the purpose of this test, so you can see I get a good signal. Now this is one of those cheap eBay special USB battery backup power supplies. So if we switch that on, disconnect the radio from that and plug it into here, there you go. It'll power on. So everything seems to be normal. Switch it on. Hardly, well, no signal at all. So if I put the aerial up, you can hear that that it's playing, but the signal quality is greatly reduced. It's because of the noise this is introducing onto the power supply. So even though your power supply might appear to be working, it may not be as good as you think. It's not necessarily down to the voltage either, and you can prove that with this. So if I unplug the radio, plug in this monitor, see we're getting 5.3 volts, plug the radio in, and switch it on. See, still poor signal. It's drawing 130 milliamps. We go back round to the voltage. See, it's still getting 5.2 volts. So that's more than enough voltage, it's fine. Let's plug this into the actual power supply. Power it on. Again, this time, full signal. It's drawing the same 120 milliamps. 5.2 volts. So it looks the same, but clearly they aren't. Which is why I always say that it's best to get a good quality power supply for your electronics. You know, say if this was a mobile phone, you'd have poor reception, reduced Wi-Fi performance, and obviously there's a safety aspect to consider when you buy cheap power supplies as well. So, just a little real world example.